$900 from
$900.
Anal Ruler. Thank you so much.
1 minute 30 seconds.
Did you say anal ruler?
Wait, what'd you say?
What?
That's
Leslie?
Wait, what?
5.
1100 from anal ruler. Not yet.
What is that name?
Sold.
Jesus.
Oh my.
It's actually, I think, Anel Fruler.
Anel Fruler with
That sounds a lot less,
$1,100.
Yeah, that sounds a lot less bad than
I assume it's.
what I-
Oh no, an elf ruler.
Oh. Wow, you guys are.
I don't know what to say.
I can't read the chat from this far.
What are your feet doing?
Okay, first of all, the E wasn't capitalized, so I mean, it's safe to say we would say
Thanks a bunch, Elf.
An elf ruler.
an elf ruler.
What's
with
that
the
one
sign
game
Sykkuno.
where you say words? And
Telephone.
No. It's like you can't.
How scuffed is that picture?
No,
Charade.
Or you
No.
you like mouth it.
it's called like Mad Gab or something.
Yeah, that's good.